Good morning students, this is Gulshan Sharma. Today we are going to learn execution of a DML statement in a Python and MySQL connectivity script. DML statements are data manipulation language statements. Data manipulation language statements consist of commands insert, update and delete. So a point to be remembered is that if we want to execute a DML statement, that is insert, update and delete, then the execution of the statement must be followed by commit statement, because until and unless we do not write the commit statement, then the result which are going to be updated in the database will not be saved in the database. So data is saved in the database only after the execution of the commit statement. So let's start. Our task is we are going to update the marks of the students who are having grade C with the value 5. So let's start the script. How we will write it? First, write the command to import the package. Next step, to create the connection object. MySQL.connector.connect in bracket, define the parameter, that is host. By default it is localhost. User, by default it is root. Password, we are keeping it blank. Database, we are using the database test. This is the database which is predefined in MySQL. You can create your own database, it is another matter. Now we are writing the cursor, then cursor equal to connection object dot cursor. Now we are writing the SQL statement to update the command. Then the statement is, our task is we want to update the marks by 5 for those students who are having grade C. So the update command will be update table name, let us say student, set marks equal to marks plus 5, condition in where clause, where grade equal to C. So this is the statement to update the marks. Now we are going to execute the statement. Cursor dot execute statement. Now the final thing comes. Whenever a update statement is required to be executed in a Python script, then the execute statement must be followed by commit statement. But remember one thing, commit statement must be called with the connection object. Remember that commit statement is called with the connection object. So connection object dot commit. This is the point to be remember कि if we want to execute a update statement query, then the execution of the update statement must be followed by commit. And remember that commit statement must be called with the connection object dot commit. Now in the same script you want to display the updated record, then simply write another statement. Actually the statement which I am writing right now, it is not the required part of this answer. I am just writing so that you will get the result on the screen after the execution of update statement. Then again write the statement equal to select asterisk from student cursor dot execute statement. Now data equal to cursor dot fetch all, print data connection object dot close. So this is the complete script which will update the record as well as it will display the record in the same script after updating the record in the database. Let us summarize. First, you need to import the package. Second, you need to create the connection object. In connection object, these parameters are required: host, user, password, database. Now you need to create the cursor. After that, you need to write the SQL statement. In our task, we have to write the update statement. So here is the update statement. Update table name, set the value whatever is required. In our question, we want to increase the marks by 5, so +5. Where grade is C, it is a condition for the student who are having grade C. Now execute the statement. In the update command, execute statement must be followed by commit statement, because if we do not write this commit statement, then data will not be saved in the database. Now here the answer is complete, but in the same question we want to display the updated record. Then again I am writing the statement to retrieve all the records from the table. Now executing it, I am fetching all the data, now printing the data and closing the statement. So in this way you can write all the statement. In the same way, if we want to insert the record, then a statement will be insert into table name, then values you will write here. And if we want to delete the thing, then the statement will be delete from the table. Let's see, I am just changing this statement for inserting and deleting. So this statement will be for insert. Insert into student. Suppose I want to insert ID, name and marks, then I am defining here column ID, name, marks, then values, whatever value you want to assign. If I am assigning ID 129, name Raj, marks 100. So this is the insert statement. After that, cursor dot execute statement and connection object dot commit. In the same way, if we want to delete the record, then the statement will be then the